Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the inspiring story of the influencer. It's a tale of a young woman who overcomes her addiction to social media and finds success as an affiliate marketer. Her journey is a reminder that hard work, dedication, and belief in oneself can lead to incredible opportunities. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the story of the influencer. Emily had always been a social media addict. She spent hours each day scrolling through Instagram and Twitter, checking out the latest trends, and following her favorite influencers. But despite all her time spent on social media, she had never felt truly fulfilled. One day, Emily stumbled upon a post from a successful affiliate marketer who promised to teach her the secrets of the trade. Intrigued, she signed up for his online course and began to learn everything she could about affiliate marketing. As she worked through the course, Emily realized that she had a passion for the subject. She loved learning about different products and services and finding creative ways to promote them to her followers. She started to create her own content, showcasing products she loved and sharing tips and tricks for using them. Before long, Emily had built up a small following of loyal fans who loved her content and trusted her recommendations. She started to receive offers from brands who wanted to collaborate with her and offer her affiliate commissions for promoting their products. Emily was thrilled. She had finally found something that made her feel fulfilled and rewarded for her hard work. As her business grew, Emily decided to invest in her education even more. She took more courses and read every book she could find on affiliate marketing. She even started attending conferences and networking with other successful marketers. But despite all her success, Emily still struggled with self-doubt. She worried that she wasn't good enough, that her content wasn't interesting enough. One day, she was scrolling through Instagram when she came across a post from one of her favorite influencers. The post was a picture of the influencer, looking stunning in a designer dress, with the caption, "Living my best life, blessed, grateful influencer." Emily felt a pang of jealousy. She had worked so hard to build her business, but it still felt like she was miles behind the glamorous world of the influencers she admired. She started to compare herself to them, feeling like she would never measure up. But then she realized something. The influencers she admired didn't start out as glamorous superstars. They had to work hard, just like she was doing. They had to learn, make mistakes, and grow their businesses over time. And most importantly, they had to believe in themselves and their ability to succeed. With a newfound sense of confidence, Emily returned to her work with renewed energy and enthusiasm. She stopped comparing herself to others and started focusing on her own strengths and passions. She continued to create content that was authentic and engaging, and she reached out to more brands and companies for collaborations. Slowly but surely, Emily's business grew even more. She became one of the top affiliate marketers in her niche, and her followers looked up to her as a trusted authority. She even started to receive invitations to speak at conferences and share her knowledge with others who were just starting out. Looking back, Emily realized that her success had come not from her obsession with social media, but from her willingness to learn, work hard, and believe in herself. She was grateful for the opportunities that had come her way and for the incredible community of like-minded individuals she had met along the way. And as she looked to the future, Emily knew that she had a bright path ahead of her. She would continue to grow and learn, to take risks and seize opportunities, and to inspire others to pursue their passions and build their own successful businesses. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the story of the influencer. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more inspiring stories and valuable content. Remember, if Emily can overcome her addiction and find success as an affiliate marketer, then so can you. So go out there and pursue your passions with determination and courage. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.